Let's talk about header based SQLi. Everything will be same. You have to look for headers parameter to find injection point, and all other steps will be same, such as host, user-agent, referrer and locations. So let's try on this lesson 18. Okay, lesson 18. See, header based, let's talk about header based SQLi. So header based SQLi, see this. If you are, see, if any application will have to store your headers informations into their database, there may be headers based SQLi. Now the problem is, how they gonna store your header? They can store your header if you will be logged in an applications. So they will identify you that this user having this headers, this user having this headers. Like Facebook, if you are browsing to Google is storing your user agent. So there may be SQLi you have to try, or they have fixed the SQLi, or they secured their SQLi on that user agent field. So likewise we have to try. So see, let's do an if I have to log in, I will use default credential admin. Okay, so I'll use admin. I'm logged in now. Okay, so I have to test their header based SQLi. If I'm doing a backslash, it won't give me anything. Okay, it won't give me anything. I have to use header based. So admin. I will first set proxy there, preference, but Bobsuit proxy, settings, manual proxy. Okay, done. I will intercept this request. So intercept is on. I will just reload this. See this? I got the request data there, the browser request data. I will right click, change this to repeater. So I don't have to go to browser multiple. So I'll click on go. I will check there itself. Now I have to test header based. Header based, maybe I have to test on the host parameter, or other user agent parameter, or referrer, or location. So I'll first test on host. I'll do backslash there. Let's click on go. So it's a bad request. Now I'll remove backslash there. I'll try on user agent. So user agent value is this now. I'll give backslash after the value. Let's see this. See this? It gave me error. That means this is vulnerable. Yes, the user agent parameters is vulnerable for these applications because we got an error there. Now let's try on lesson 19. Let's try lesson 19. Okay, so again I have to give it for default credentials. I'll go to Bobsuit, intercept is on. I'll just submit this, right click, send this to repeater. I'll click on go, click on render to see the response there. See, it's logged in. Now I'll try one by one. Backslash on the host, it's a bad request, so I'll remove. Backslash on the user agent. So user agent value this, I'll backslash there. It's not giving me any error. I'll remove from there. I'll turn referrer. There is a referrer. See this? I'll give a backslash there. Now it's giving me any error. Yes, that means referrer parameter is vulnerable there. So this way we are identifying the injection point. So I hope it's clear to you how to hunt for header based SQLi.